Yeah, I am recording. Hi guys, so today I'll be playing Animal Hospital Anomaly. Oh my god. And yeah, so let's get right into this video. So, if you didn't know, this is a little tip. If the two patients in the first shift are not anomalies, as you know, because it's only the first shift. So yeah. So yeah, I always take coffee as the first round solo, so like later, just in case, like it doesn't take that long to, since it's the first one. I'm not making sense, am I? No, I'm not. But yeah, it's like. So let me give some tips throughout the game I'm playing. So, you know that goo that you hate? You know the fire extinguisher? You could just take it and put it on the goo and it goes away faster. And you know, the people in the lobby, you can actually tase them or shoot them with a gun in the game. And also, if you don't know, the eye that is right like on the ceiling, you can use eye drops on it to it for it, and then for the bed monster, you can give it maple syrup since it's actually Canadian. So yeah, those are some tips. I don't even get to know your name. I'm too lazy to see. So yeah, we go over here. Analyze this. I was gonna post, but it didn't let me since I was on a call with my friends. And yeah, so it didn't let me, so y'all couldn't hear it. So I'm doing Casella now, and things happen in that channel. So George Ice, who comes? Oh my gosh, who literally comes to the hospital for dry eyes? Can't you just buy it? Are you coming to the tree? Mi ancora non se va, se mi storia non cambia. Se la devi ancora non la. Mi ancora non se va, se mi storia non cambia. Gabriella, hands off, Gabriella, la la la. You know, I don't want to play this game. Let's play another game. What game? Let my friends play. Let's play Murder Mystery. Okay. Which two avatars? Okay, there. I changed my avatar. It's usually R6, but Yeah. Hi. Hi. So yes, it's a game. It's not possible for me to press the knife on it live. Yeah, it was something 100. Okay. Tags, Anna tags. The sign is Laura. Guys, I'm sad because Brazil lost. No. Brazil lost? I don't know who's married. I just joined. Lala. I meant Nala. Are they teaming? They have to be teaming. Okay. Right. Bro, what the hell? What they trying to show off? Ban lover. Is that from Butter to Bam Bam? Yeah, I feel like this one's murder and this one's sheriff. Oh, what? Oh, yeah, I knew it. It feels like I've been here for 1 hour. Oh my god. Gafiela. Hottie hottie, like a bag of talkies. I'm legit. I'm legit. I love Cat's Eye. No me mires con esos ojos, no me deslumbras, que deslumbras. No me mires con esos ojos, no no deslumbras. No me mires con esos ojos que ven, te derrites. Te fascistes, la vergüenza de sol, siento su espano, seré opacado a tu lado. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I'm not in this. But did I hear something? No, I'm hallucinating, right? Yeah, I am. What level am I? Yo, what the fuck? Pigeon. Move. So emotional, you know my love is true. See control, my love for you, love for you, love for you. What the fuck? That hitbox. That legit box. Time to still playing. Okay. So I join back the call. I don't want too. You know, I'm just gonna join.